A well-planned mission led by the Jamaica Defense Force has resulted in the capture of Jamaica's most wanted vigilante and the gang leader. 25-year-old Delano Prekeh Bwoy Walcott was shot and killed during an operation by members of the Jamaica Security Forces in Cambridge, St. James on Wednesday morning. Prekeh Bwoy, who was wanted for nearly 5 years, could not have been captured because he used the hilly terrain of Cambridge to his advantage to escape from the security forces. During that time, he could regularly be seen on social media posting with various high-powered weapons. A M16 automatic rifle was seized during the operation. The police says Prekeh Bwoy was wanted for various crimes, including multiple murders. The retrieval gang which he led had been linked to 12 murders and 11 shootings. The latest murder, according to the police, was carried out by members of the gang was the killing of Asta Godfrey in Catadupa, St. James on July 9, 2020. Prekeh Bwoy was also a former high-ranking member of the notorious Ratty Gang and was involved in the shooting of 2 members of the Jamaica Defense Force in St. James in 2017. The security forces believe that Prekeh Bwoy had met his demise in 2018 during a shootout with lawmen, but it turned out that it was one of Prekeh Bwoy's operative, Richard Anderson. Anderson was also wanted in the Kingston East Division. A Panther Arms A-15 rifle was also seized during that incident. The police believe that Prekeh, who went into hiding after January 2018 declaration of a state of emergency in St. James, was shot during a confrontation with the security forces in Westmoreland. Several operations were carried out by lawmen to capture the notorious gang leader and his team, but they always managed to elude capture. Well, it looked like them luck finally run out. People, that you have the record sheet to show you that, yo, the security forces don't have it easy because them boy are out there, so them heartless, mindless, them not care about nobody or nothing, and them will do anything for survive. Yo, the man living at the bushes for almost 6 years, eluding the police here and there. But justice eventually prevailed, and I'm glad that the police officers were able to capture such a dangerous man and take him off the street and out of this world. Tubers, what are your thoughts on this story? Would love to know in the comment section down below. Don't forget, if you have not done so as yet, please remember to like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so as yet. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.